Warning: this content can be disturbing for some people. These videos are not real. Don't take them as real, so sit back and enjoy.
In cosmic rays and in collider experiments, 4 more quarks have been discovered. We don't know why there are 3 electron-like particles. We don't know why there are 6 quarks, and that's one of the big mysteries that, we might get some insight from the.
This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. The Hadron Collider at Surma Research Center has recently begun to destabilize. All citizens in Surma County and the surrounding counties of Springfield, Rockport, and Johnson County are advised to make a survival kit consisting of enough food and water for 14 days, cold weather gear, a flashlight and battery-powered radio, and a self-defense tool. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. Due to the status of the Hadron Collider in the Surma Research Center, at this time all residents of all counties are hereby advised to commence an emergency evacuation of the state. Take only what you need. Jewelry, furniture, and other non-essential items are discouraged. Take only one vehicle, as multiple vehicles will cause too much traffic, and the goal of the evacuation is to save the most lives possible. Stay tuned for further updates.